Grandeur by design, 39 Crowgey Street, Rydalmere, a near new Clarendon home, is one of our latest property listings. Hi, I'm David Johnson.
And I'm Rydalmere.
We're from AwardGroup Real Estate and are standing outside your next address. Follow us inside, we'll have a look around. Arguably one of the area's finest residential properties, this property has it all. If you're looking for family comfort with grand proportions, you'll love the main house, and if you're after space for adult children, the in-laws or additional rental income, the separate 2-bedroom home at the rear will prove a huge asset.
Located in Rydalmere's most sought-after precinct, occupying a generous yet easy to maintain parcel of land directly opposite the Ponds Walk, part of Subiaco Creek Reserve, it boasts swift access to the future light rail, bus transport, schools, parks, main arterial roads, making the commute to Parramatta and the Sydney CBD a breeze.
From its picturesque facade, you see that these owners take great pride in their home, the quality of its finishes, and of course its presentation. The main house features 5 bedrooms with built-in robes, ensuite and walk-in robe to main. There's a large home office or 6th bedroom on the ground floor and is serviced by a total of 5 bathrooms and 3 toilets. A versatile floor plan is on offer with a landing on the upper level, home theatre or second lounge on the ground floor, along with an open plan family room and dining, which is perfectly offset by a designer gas kitchen with stone benchtops and stainless steel appliances.
The home is certainly not lacking in mod cons, with a large internal laundry, ducted air conditioning, alarm, an oversized lock-up garage with extra depth for a boat, trailer, caravan or a workshop, and an easy to maintain rear yard with hard surface entertaining.
The second home or granny flat at the rear showcases separate and private access, courtyard entertaining, 2 bedrooms with built-ins, open plan living, dining and kitchen, own bathroom and laundry. The most recent lease was at $430 a week and is a great way for you to bring down the cost of the outgoings. Properties of this calibre with these features rarely become available to market, if at all. So do your family a favour and join us at an upcoming inspection. I'm David Johnson.
And I'm Rydalmere. We'll see you soon.